There's a secret whispered in the veils of time, a truth that your soul already knows. You didn't appear in his life by chance, nor was the meeting of your essences a mere whim of fate. The angels affirm that you are the answer to an ancient prayer, a predestined link that he, in his silence, might not have even known he was searching for. Your presence is a portal, a key that unlocks forgotten chambers within his own being. He may have thought you moved on, that the distance would extinguish the flame, but what he feels is a pull, an invisible force dragging him back into the orbit of your light. It is the memory of his soul, the recognition of a divine pact that transcends time and space. You are the melody he didn't know was missing from his song, the piece that completes the mosaic of his journey. The angels say that your arrival is not just for him, but to awaken something greater within you, a mission that reveals itself with each beat of your heart. You are the manifestation of a love that the universe orchestrated, a beacon guiding him back home. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. His silence is not a void, my dear soul. It is a sacred space, a canvas where the universe paints truths that cannot yet be spoken. You feel the absence as a wound, but the angels reveal that this pause is a preparation, not a rejection. It is a time for healing for both of you, a period where the roots of a deeper love can strengthen away from the noise of the world. He stepped back, yes, but not from you. He stepped back from his own shadows, from internal battles that can only be fought in solitude. The angels whisper that he is confronting old fears, unraveling knots that prevented him from being who he needs to be for you. This silence is an invitation for you to dive into your own inner ocean as well, to listen to the whispers of your intuition and nurture your own flame. It is not a punishment, but a divine opportunity for both of you to bloom individually so that, when the sacred time aligns, you can reunite more whole, more aware, and more ready for the love that awaits you. Trust the process, for silence has its own language, and it speaks of a future that is being carefully woven. Your journey is not a tangle of coincidences, but a star map drawn by the divine hand. Every step, every tear, every smile is a point in your soul's design, an intricate plan that reveals the higher purpose of your existence. You carry within you ancient wisdom, a strength forged in the depths of your experiences. The angels say that the pains of the past are not scars but portals to a deeper understanding of who you are and the love you deserve. This path, sometimes solitary, sometimes challenging, is your school, your temple. It is here that you learn to trust your intuition, to honor your truth, and to recognize your own divinity. There are no mistakes, only lessons that propel you toward your most authentic self. The universe is constantly realigning the pieces so that you can meet your destiny, with the souls that are meant to walk beside you. Your purpose is not to search, but to remember. To remember your light, your strength, your infinite capacity to love and be loved. The angels guide you, step by step, to unveil the beauty and grandeur of your soul's design. Have you ever felt an inexplicable shiver, a coincidence that seemed magical, a soft voice guiding you in a moment of uncertainty? This is the invisible hand of angels, delicately weaving the threads of your destiny with precision. They are the messengers of the divine, the guardians of your journey, working behind the scenes to align every event, every encounter, every separation, with your highest good. There is no chance in the celestial realm, only synchronicities that point to the path your soul chose even before incarnating. The angels whisper in your dreams, send signals through nature, and place people in your path exactly when you need them most. They protect you, inspire you, and remind you of your unbreakable connection to universal love. Even in moments of darkness, when hope seems far away, they are there, holding your hand, lighting the next step. Trust in this subtle yet powerful presence. Open your heart to receive the messages they send, for each one is a reminder that you are loved, guided, and that your destiny is being carefully orchestrated for your greatest happiness. Within you, my dear, there are echoes of a past that still resonate, whispers of old wounds seeking healing. These memories, these pains, do not define you, but they have shaped the strong and resilient woman you are today. The angels invite you to look at these echoes not with fear, but with compassion, to embrace the parts of yourself that have been forgotten or hurt. It is time to reclaim your inner light, to unearth the pure essence that resides in your heart. Healing is not a destination, but a journey, a process of letting go and rebirth. Allow yourself to feel, to cry, to release. Each tear is a river that washes away impurities. Each sigh is a breath of renewal. The angels are by your side, wrapping you in a mantle of love and acceptance, helping you dissolve the chains that bind you to the past. By healing these echoes, you not only set yourself free but also create space for a more genuine, deeper love that resonates with the entirety of your soul. Your inner light is a beacon, and it's time to let it shine in its fullness. Love, my soul, is a magical mirror that reflects not just the other, but the deepest truths of ourselves. What you see in his heart, in his actions, in his hesitations, is often a reflection of what resides within your own being. The qualities that attract you, the challenges that frustrate you, are invitations for introspection, for understanding your own needs and desires. The angels whisper that he is a catalyst for your growth, a teacher disguised as a lover. He may be reflecting your own insecurities, your fears of abandonment, or conversely, your infinite capacity to love and forgive. Don't judge him, rather, observe. What does he awaken in you? What parts of your soul does he illuminate or challenge? By understanding this mirror dynamic, you free yourself from the expectation that he will complete you, and empower yourself to become the woman you already are, whole and radiant. True love does not seek perfection in the other, but wholeness within oneself, and he is a guide on this journey of self-discovery. There is an invisible current that flows through all things, a river of divine time that carries each soul to its destiny. You have been struggling against this current, trying to force the pace, control the flow, but the angels invite you to surrender. Patience is not passivity, but a deep trust in the wisdom of the universe, a certainty that everything manifests at the perfect moment. What seems like a delay is, in fact, a process of maturation, a preparation for an abundant harvest. The angels whisper that every delay, every detour, serves a greater purpose that your rational mind cannot yet comprehend. They are rearranging the stars, moving invisible mountains so that the path opens harmoniously. Let go, my dear. Take a deep breath and trust that you are exactly where you need to be, learning the lessons you need to learn. The river of divine time will take you exactly where you belong, to the love that has been reserved for you. Just flow with it, and allow the magic of the universe to unfold. There is a place within you that longs for recognition, an echo of a home that transcends the physical. It is the true home of your soul, the point of origin of your essence, and the angels whisper that you are being guided back to it. This home is not a place, but a state of being, a deep connection with the divine and with souls that resonate with your own frequency. You will recognize this home not by sight, but by feeling, a peace that calms the storm, a joy that fills the void, a sense of belonging that dissolves loneliness. The guided path to this home is paved with intuition, with dreams, with signs that the universe sends. It manifests in people who understand you without words, in places that make you feel whole, in moments of clarity that reveal your truth. The angels invite you to listen to the whispers of the eternal, to follow the compass of your heart, for it will always lead you to where you are most loved, most valued, most yourself. This is your return, the reunion with the most sacred part of your existence. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. Psalms 23, verses 1 to 2. My dear, you are a crown of glory, a masterpiece woven by the hands of the divine. Your worth is not determined by relationships, by external accomplishments, or by the approval of others. Your value is intrinsic, unshakable, a light that has shone since the moment of your creation. The angels see you in your fullness, in your majesty, and invite you to embrace this truth with every fiber of your being. You are worthy of all love, all joy, and all abundance that the universe has to offer. Do not diminish yourself to fit into small spaces, nor silence your voice to please others. Your authenticity is your greatest power, your vulnerability is your greatest strength. The angels whisper that by recognizing and honoring your own divine worth, you attract relationships that uplift you, experiences that nourish you, and a life that resonates with the magnificence of your soul. Wear your crown with pride, my queen. Let your light shine without reservations, for it is a gift to the world and a beacon for the love that awaits you. You have come a long way, my dear soul. You have healed wounds, unraveled mysteries, and trusted in the unseen. Now the angels invite you to embrace the love you were born for, to allow the flower of your soul to bloom in its fullness. This love is not a quest but a return, a memory of what has always been destined to be yours. It is a love that embraces you completely, celebrating your light and embracing your shadows, seeing you not as you were, but as you are and as you are meant to become. There is no longer a need to fight, to prove yourself, to strive. Just breathe, my dear, and receive. Open your arms to the abundance that the universe pours upon you, to the connection your soul so longs for. The angels whisper that this is the time to reap the fruits of your journey, to bathe in the grace of a love that is as vast as the sky and as deep as the ocean. Accept this blessing with an open and grateful heart, for you are worthy of all the happiness and love that the divine has in store for you. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4 to 5.